Hey, I'm back. How you doing? More adventures in coring. So, I've been coring with a McNaughton center saver, getting a handle on it, but yeah, I finally did it. Made a funnel. Great big funnel. So, got this nice little 3-bowl set here. Looks pretty good, except, well, except for this. It's a hole in the bottom there. Went too deep with the coring rig, left myself no thickness on the bottom, so this bowl's trash. Second one, not very much better, I have to say. I might try to save that. Third one's fine. Little teeny tiny one's fine, of course. Anyways, so I'm not really that upset about this because this particular blank has a whole bunch of punky, rotten wood in it. So I'm trying to use the blanks that have the most cracks and punky wood and stuff first so that I can get better at this, I hope. So what do you do now? Well, I guess you throw it in the garbage. But I thought maybe I'll try to learn something from this. So when you're turning these, one of the important things to do is to make the thickness as uniform as possible, because when it's drying, it's less likely to crack. If it's very thin in one spot and thick in the other spot, it's much more likely to have different stresses and crack, so I understand. So this one is way too thin on the bottom, I know that. But the sides, I don't know, I think it's probably a bit too thin here down here, I don't know. So what I'm going to do, while I'm standing at the bandsaw, is I'm going to cut it in half. And see how much I do suck. See if it's any good. Anyway, so let's just cut it in half. Saw runs a lot better, but it takes a while to stop. Anyways, like I said, on the bottom here, obviously it's way too thin, as you can see. But here, it's not bad. Difference between here and here, excuse me, is only a little bit. So, not bad. But I gotta watch that, because this really should be all exactly the same thickness. So, while it sucks that I made a funnel, maybe I can learn something from it. I mean, at the end of the day, what else can you ask? Huh? Learn something from your mistakes that we all want to do. So, that's about it. I'm going to got lots more coring to do. I've maybe done a quarter, maybe, of everything that I have to do yet. There's still a lot more coring to do. I think I'm up to 8 bags of... I put out 6 bags of the corner pieces that I cut off. Garbage, that's garbage. And I got another, I think, 8 bags of shavings already. By the time I'm done today, I'll probably have another... I'll probably have 10 or 12 bags of shavings to go out for the garbage tomorrow morning. Because I am a business, I have to actually pay to throw those out, and I pay 326 yen, so that's about $3. So I pay $3 a bag to throw my business trash out. A lot of people don't pay, they just do it, but I buy the stickers and stick them on the bags and I pay, because that's what you're supposed to do. Anyways, whatever. Little rant there, sorry. So yeah, made a funnel, but I learned something. I learned that my thicknesses aren't bad. I gotta watch the edge, make it a little bit thinner. I think try to do a little more consistency. I should get one of those things that it kind of like a tweezer kind of things that when you squeeze it on this end, it shows you the thickness on the other end. Maybe I should get one or make one of those so I can kind of gauge my thicknesses better until I get it down. Anyways, that's it. Just a short little vlog today. I hope everybody out there is staying safe. You're wearing your mask when you're out in public, and you're washing your hands, and you're social distancing. I don't know why I have trouble saying that. Social distancing. You're getting out by yourself in your workshop, making something, putting this time to use, learning something, not just sitting on the couch eating Fritos and binge watching Netflix. Get out there and make something. Like my buddy Levi always says, life's better when you make stuff, and he's right. Okay, that's it for now. See you later. Take care. Bye-bye.